All right. Let's go. This is we're going downhill now.
Go ahead, take a picture.
I was gonna take a picture like this. Go. What are you doing?
I'm taking off the long sleeve.
Oh.
All right. Good.
Okay. We can stop. You want to stop? No. All right, Penelope, remember to stand up when it gets tough. If you, when it's getting bumpy and stuff, when you go downhill fast. 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Okay, you're good. Yep. Go ahead, family. You okay, Pierce? Just lean. Yeah, Pierce, just lean back and put your fingers on the brakes. Okay, make sure your feet are flat. Oh, there, she's all the way down there now. Go straight. You want me to ride that?
No, it's just...
I'll ride it. No, I'm not gonna sit. You just stand up the whole way.
It's good out here.
Wow, everyone's doing it, almost doing it. Don't go too close to them, P.